another take of this song because I can't get it right. Kill me, please. Okay. Let me ask you a question on your Tumblr page. Will you answer? Will you make a derp face? I know it sounds funny, but I don't know better than to follow you and to vlog all summer. Can we be friends forever through the internet? A part of me that I'll never forget. Do me a favor and follow me. It's not much, but it will make me happy. Hi, I'll ask you, do you like 1D? I love the most of cats cause they are so funny. I really can't help it, your blog is A+. The post, so you know that I ship us. Can we be friends forever through the internet? Part of me that I'll never forget. Do me a favor and follow me. It's not much, but it will make me happy. It's now 3 a.m. and I am still online. I have school tomorrow, you know I'll be fine. All these memes embedded in my head, internet cut out so I can finally go to bed. Okay, so that was Bianca's song and I finally got it sort of right. There are a few mistakes in there, but oh well. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.